This is case 21CR38629 and 22CR39752. Mr. Adams is present with his counsel, Keely Chambers. The state is represented by Brian Goodyear. We're here for a probation violation. How does Mr. Adams wish to proceed?
He wishes to admit the violation, Your Honor.
Okay. So specifically, what is he admitting? What's he admitting?
To using drugs.
Yeah, to relapsing, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Is there a statement from state?
Yeah, Judge, my understanding is the recommendation is that his community control be revoked and he be incarcerated. My understanding of his history is that he's already been to CBCF, he's already been to Monday and not successfully completed that, which I think is a pretty big indicator as to where this case should go. So from the state's perspective, at this point, imposing a prison sentence would be an appropriate outcome, so that's what we'll ask for.
All right, thank you. Ms. Chambers?
Yes, in speaking with Mr. Adams, in addition to what we already spoke about in treatment team, I do think that there's been a lot of mitigating factors that Mr. Adams is just coming to realize have kind of contributed to his recent relapses. He is committed to recovery. He understands, I discussed with him the recommendations that we discussed in treatment team, as well as the prosecution's side of things. I do think that he still wants to engage in treatment. He's unsure about a CBCF at this point in time because he has already done that and has not been successful at the Monday program. I do know that he has both his mother here and his girlfriend in support of him. They would like to speak on his behalf as well. But I can turn everything over to Elijah as well. But I do know that he wants to continue with this court and continue in treatment if possible.
Okay, they're welcome to speak, no problem. His girlfriend wrote me a letter, which I read, talking about how he is a target, a victim. Spent time talking about how he passed a drug test morning before he came here and gave a test, and how, and of course my first thought was, who tests themselves unless they are trying to see if they're going to pass. And so she's telling me he passed, so it must be the probation officer's fault. So, or she's got it in for him. So if that's what she wants to talk about, I already read it. I won't comment on it, but go ahead and bring up whoever you want.
Pepper, if you'd like to come up.
I'm Debbie, I'm Elijah's mother. I just wanted to thank you for all the programs and the help that you've given him. I appreciate that so much. He's been doing so good with, being at home and doing things and working, going to his classes, going to...
Tell me the truth, Mom.
What?
About you and Dad and just everything that has been leading up to what I've been doing and what's been going on. Just tell him.
You.
It's just your firsthand experience.
Yeah. It's been
Look,
a little... Yeah.
She's not going to say it because it hurts her so bad. My dad lunged at my mom the other night. Me and him got into a full-blown fist fight. Okay, it led me to using. Because I don't know what to do. I'm stuck there on house arrest. I can't go anywhere. Like, it's fucked up. And I gotta watch it happen. I have to watch it happen. I can't do nothing about it. She has nowhere to go. She can't escape it. My dad won't go anywhere. I have tried to force him out of this house and he will not leave. And I'm stuck there in the middle of mediating all of it. It's none of my business. It's their business. But I'm not going to let it happen in front of me. I'm not.
There's been a lot of pressure.
It has. It's been a lot of pressure. The pressure from this, the pressure from their relationship, the pressure from work and everything, and me trying to take care of it all. My dad doesn't take care of my mom. I take care of my mom. I buy her cigarettes. I pay for her food. I do all that because my dad's a fucking piece of shit. What? What? Am I lying?
It's cussing.
Am I lying?
No.
I think she just wants you to watch.
I'm sorry.
Yeah,
I'm sorry. I'm hurt. I'm
Your
hurt.
language.
And I know that it was my fault. I ingested the drugs. I took the drugs after all that. But I'm just kind of explaining my side of the story. Like, it's been fucking tough. I come in here with a smile on my face and act like nothing's wrong because I don't want nothing to fall back on them. It's obviously all on me. Like, the place where I need to be is there, but it's in Kentucky and I can't be there.
Yeah, he's got a home in Kentucky, bought, and his job's in Kentucky. Yeah.
Is there anything else you want to say?
No, that's all. Thank you very much.
What about the other lady?
So obviously he lied and actually did the drugs, which is disgusting to me because we have a 16-year-old daughter.
I understand.
But to you, he is trying. He really is. He is a good guy. He takes care of a child that's not his own. He goes to work. He goes to classes. And he has broken down to me so many times over the pressure. It would be best if he came to Kentucky because I can offer a stable home, a loving environment, and it's not all this. This is unnecessary, just unnecessary completely, what his dad does. I tried to get him transferred, but I don't think he actually tried.
Can I go over here, please?
No, stand up and take it like a man.
Okay, just go ahead, ma'am.
But I tried to get him transferred to Kentucky. They won't let him. So that's out of my hands. But I know when he's able to come to our house, then he can do better. And he does do better. And I hold him to a higher standard than this court will ever hold him to. I expect excellence every single day. I'm a single mom. I've been doing it for 16 years by myself, and I make the world happen. Just give him a chance, please. That's all I'm
Are you assuming he's had no chances?
He hit another chance, which he has had enough. This court case stems from 2019, and he's messed up and messed up and messed up. But I think he's finally getting it. He has never had the amount of accountability that I hold him to, because I expect nothing but the best every single day. And of course that is up and down, but I feel like he's in the best place he could possibly be right now to succeed.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Elijah, is there anything you want to say?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for all the times I've lied. It's like I get myself into a corner and then I don't know how to get myself back out. I need to stop getting myself into them corners. And the thing is I got myself into a corner a month or so ago, and I've been trying to get my way back out of it. That way I could stay out of it. And this is what it boiled down to, is me coming here. If you gave me another chance at recovery court and at my recovery, you wouldn't be disappointed, and I can promise you that. I really can.
You started here in July. I remember you coming up and saying you appreciated the opportunity and you were going to do well, you're going to put forth the effort. This is nothing personal, but it's apparent you can't stop by yourself. And that's not that unusual. It's nothing to be embarrassed about or ashamed of. You have a disorder. Something's not right, and that's, you have a disease of addiction. And as long as it's in control, this is your life. And I can lecture you, but lectures don't change it either. But it takes commitment. You can fix this. You absolutely can do this. Look at this group over here. You know, they're putting forth the effort. They're making the commitment. The CBCF, Community-Based Correctional Facility, you went to Monday, it didn't work out, and it wasn't their fault. It was your fault. So you're thinking now, I can't do any CBCF. There are others, and there's some that have worked well with us in recovery court. The big problem with it is, which I'm sure you're aware of, it takes you out of a job and out of helping your family for about 6 months. What I'm going to do is continue this case for a few days and see if there is a residential treatment option that you can do without going away for 6 months. How long were you at Monday?
Almost 6 months.
Okay, so you've been through that process.
Yeah.
I'm going to give you another shot at recovery court.
Okay.
However, it's not fair to the coach. It's not fair to your probation officer. It's not fair to the treatment team. And most of all, it's just not fair to the people here, and it's not fair to you because you're not getting anywhere. I think you owe and probably your girlfriend, I have no jurisdiction over her, Officer Gatch a big apology. Maybe you don't like her. That's not necessary. You don't have to like your probation officer. They know that. But when you start accusing her of wrongdoing, and it wasn't you, it was someone, your girlfriend, she did it because you lied to her. So here we go. That's it. We point the finger at the probation officer. That's not going to work. So I don't want to just say what you're going to do until I meet with your treatment provider, your probation officer, and see what we can come up with. And we'll get you in here and we'll figure out where you're going. So I'm not going to make a decision at this point. Sometimes any of us can make a decision and wish we'd slept on it a little more, thought about it a little longer. But if you're not going to do this, let's not drag this out.
Sure.
Okay. We'll see you next time.
Elijah Adams admits relapsing while on probation, but his family asks the judge for another chance. He explains the intense pressure at home and promises to recover. The judge acknowledges his addiction, but demands accountability. Instead of immediate prison, the court gives him another opportunity in recovery court while exploring residential treatment options.